How to turn on eye protection in Windows 10. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon, usually shaped like a speech bubble or a bell. Click on it. After clicking the notification icon, you'll see a menu pop up. Find the option that says Night Light. Right-click on it. From the menu that appears after right-clicking, you'll see an option that says Go to Settings. Click on it. In the Settings window that opens up, you'll see a switch labeled Night Light. Click on the switch to turn it on. This activates the eye protection feature. If you want to change how strong the eye protection is, click on Night Light Settings. Here, you'll see a slider. Drag it left to make the screen cooler, more blue light, or right to make it warmer, less blue light. If you want the eye protection to turn on and off automatically, toggle on the scheduling option. You'll have two choices, sunset to sunrise or set hours. Choose the one that suits you best. Sunset to sunrise. This option automatically adjusts based on your location and the time of year. It dims your screen from sunset to sunrise. Set hours. With this option, you can choose specific times for the eye protection to turn on and off. Just pick the start and end times that work for you. By following these simple steps, you've now activated eye protection on your Windows 10 system, making your late night screen time easier on the eyes. Remember to take care of your vision, especially during long hours of computer use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.